book I'd like to talk about today is called the Ayurvedic Cookbook. It's by Amadea Morningstar and Urmila Desai. This has been a book that I've been recommending to people for 25 years or so in my practice because it's just such a good book. It covers the diagnosis of your constitution in Ayurveda. It covers all sorts of things about how digestion works in Ayurvedic medicine. Again, the qualities, the different tastes and how important they are in balancing different meals. The doshas, so you've got all about Pitta, Kapha and Vata, even how to diagnose what your constitution is. You've got a whole diagnostic chart here, discovering your constitution. You can tick off little things to figure out whether you're more Pitta, Kapha or Vata. Pitta is more fiery and oil. Kapha is more earth and water, and Vata is air and ether. So it's a very old system of medicine, Ayurveda. This book goes into the chakras and dietary change, all sorts of interesting things. Ayurvedic medicine is actually the oldest system of medicine in the world. They consider digestion or metabolism to be called agni, or a digestive fire. So they're talking here about how to balance your agni and how to make sure your digestive fire is working properly, because so many people are on a healthy diet, but they don't have a good agni, so that they can't absorb food, basically. And it goes into traditional Ayurvedic remedies like kichadis, which are, like basically like a mung dal with rice and all sorts of like kombu and different things to make them basically healing. So kichadis goes into different, it has like properties, talking all about what is tofu, how to prepare it, different recipes. Has recipes, and it talks about whether they balance the kapha, the pitta, or the vata. So mung burgers and sweet chickpeas, and about each food too. I just really like that about mushrooms. Mushrooms are light, dry, and cool, unless they are. Can't quite read that, but anyway, it just talks all about what they're for. About dairy products. Main dishes. So it goes into, it's quite an easy book to read, nothing too complicated. About meat, wine, and smoking. I mean, so it's a vegetarian book. It talks about different qualities that there are, beverages. Leeks and garlic, and I just really like this book. Again, I used to recommend it when I had a naturopathic practice in Byron Bay back in '94. I used to recommend this book to almost all my clients, actually. So it'll just give you a good broad view of nutrition from an Ayurvedic perspective, and it'll give you a lot of good recipes as well. So I highly recommend the book. Talks about food combining, the digestive organs and things like that as well. So again, not an expensive book. We'll have a link down the bottom to where you can get it, and highly recommend it. So again, the Ayurvedic Cookbook, Amadea Morningstar and Urmila Desai.